Kids Toy Station.
Wow, look at what we have today. A lovely modern kitchen set with yummy fruits, vegetables, and lot more. Alright, lovely modern kitchen. Okay, superb, isn't it? Yes, it looks too good. Let's begin with opening it. Alright, we opened it and set up the base. We have stove, we have tap also, refrigerator, oven, and a fruit basket. Now let's begin arranging it with a cooking spoon, spatula, another cooking spoon, and that's fork. Oops, did that fork just fall? No problem, I'll pick it up later. Meanwhile, I'll just hang rest of the spoons, the knife. Lovely. That's the salt bottle, and that's a small pot. That's the mustard sauce and tomato sauce. You have a glass for water, a small bowl with veggies and a spoon, blue plates, a milk bottle, pepper, carrot and strawberry cookies, and a vegetable or a fruit basket. You can use it for either. Lovely refrigerator. Oh, an oven also. Now let's begin with washing the vegetables first. You need to wash them before you cook them. Fruits also. The tap is working great. Look at that watermelon. It's so juicy. Okay, we are done with washing all the vegetables. Lovely. Lots of fruits, lots of vegetables. We are going to have fun today. Fun party. Healthy party. We'll begin with the vegetables. The capsicum, which is yellow. We'll put it in the bowl. Alright. Here's the onion. Put half of it in the bowl. Here's juicy tomato, which is fresh enough. Lovely. Put half of it in the bowl also. We have lettuce, which I've already cut beforehand. It could take a lot of time. My favorite corn. Just cut half of it. That's enough. We have peas. We can't cut it. We need to peel them. Yes, green. Lovely yellow lemon. We'll need entire lemon. Brinjal. Wow. That's another healthy fruit. I mean vegetable. Ooh, done. Here's a carrot. Lovely. Now what else? We'll need a red chili. An entire red chili. We are done with the cutting. Now we are pouring some water. Yes, in both the pan and the bowl. Take a spatula. Okay, turn on the stove. Wow, look at that stove burning. Alright, you turn them on. And we'll just stir like this. Stir. You can just, once done, you can switch off. Alright, we're done with the vegetables. Now we'll begin with the cookies. Flower shaped, the Mickey Mouse shaped. That was bow shaped. Another bow shaped cookie. Another Mickey Mouse shaped cookie. I would love to eat those. Oh, I love Mickey Mouse shaped cookies. That's why I have more of them. Yeah, one more. Fine. And we'll keep them in the oven. Right, you can take your mother's help if you want to. Good. Close the oven. And you can set the temperature. Here again, you can take your mom's help. Good. Now I think I love cupcakes actually. So I'll go with the cupcake also. Keep it in the oven. And while the baking is In process, we'll cut some fruits. There goes the orange. And here comes apple, my favorite again. I actually like all the fruits. Muskmelon, big and juicy fruit. Oh, strawberry, which is red and bright. Banana, we won't cut that, we'll peel that while we eat. And here comes pineapple, yellow in color, another juicy fruit. Grapes, grapes is also juicy fruit. Just take half. Pear, which is green and yellow in color, looking lovely. We have guava, which is green in color, and let's see from the inside. It's white with lots of seeds. And the watermelon, wow, look at what we have found inside. Red color, bright red with lots of black seeds. Alright, we're done with the cupcake baking. It's too hot, so just be careful. And here we go, a bit of icing and a topping, cherry topping, looking great. The cookies are also done, lovely. The Mickey Mouse shaped cookies are looking lovely. Oh, I feel like eating them straight away. So we can go ahead with the burger now. Oops. Put the pack again with some lettuce and super. Keep it in the plate. We have a hot dog also, like this. Keep it in the plate again. See, we are done with all the fruits and vegetables. We had a lovely time cooking in the modern kitchen. Oh, superb. The cookies, the fruits, the vegetables. I'll start with the fruits. No, I mean vegetables. I love corn actually, so I'll start with that. Oh, look at that kitchen. I hope you all had great time cooking with. Okay, look at all the yummy stuff out there. Do subscribe, like and share the video.